Okay, students, as per our lesson plan, you know that we were discussing report writing. I started the topic of report writing to you. What is the importance of writing the report? I think you all know this thing. That's a very important topic for you because it does not only come into your final exams, but tomorrow when you will be on your jobs and you have to present a lot of reports into your professional career. So I have told you that in exams there are different ways through which this question has been asked, and related to this, if you open up your Google Classroom, I will just share the screen with you. So notes are also uploaded over there. Even a few of my previous lectures on the same topic, these are also given over there. So just I'll share the screen with you. Is it visible to everybody, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So very clearly it has written over there. What do you mean by report? They are saying, let's understand. A report is a written composition. Or in other words, we can say it is a prepared talk about a particular subject. It is a vivid expression of a personal experience on account of something heard, seen, done, studied, etc. Meant to be published or broadcasted. The most common example is the news report we read in the newspaper every day. Reports can be of many types, such as newspaper report, report on function at a school, institute, or the organization about the accident happening, which you have witnessed something, report about an inquiry or a survey. So there are different types of it. As I've already discussed, in your paper even they can ask you in a different ways. One is they ask you the report like that, where they make you imagine that you were present on that place, or something has happened in front of you, or uh, they'll ask you, as I've told you, that you are working in one of the organization, and there are requirements from the company side, and on that requirement you're supposed to write down the report, like what do you see, what do you observe, and what are your recommendations. So as we discussed letter writing or the email writing or the essay writing, I told you that we cannot fix that what kind of a report it would come into your paper. But yes, one thing is for sure, that is, they know that they are taking the test of the English writing skills. So report writing would be the part of it. So let's discuss few of the important things which comes into the report writing. Be factual and do not add any information on your own that may seem fictitious. I told you already this thing. Be factual means report means everything it will be based on facts. We cannot add anything from your own. Try to see. This is very tricky. Actually, report is what the document on, which is based on facts. But yes, when you will write down in your paper, so you have not done any research, you have not seen anything, or you were not present on that situation. So at that time, you need to imagine that and you write it. You're getting my point, right? But actually, the report writing is based on facts. हम कोई भी चीज जो रिपोर्ट में हम लिखते हैं वो उसको इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते. They have written very clearly over there that do not add any information on your own. So that's very important. Okay. This is something they are relating with the grammar, like write in the indirect speech, preferably in the passive voice. Write in third person form and avoid using pronouns like I, me, or you. Avoid imposing your personal opinion and do not make any conclusions. So when you write down the report, they are saying it the same. The first point is quite related to this fourth point. They have said that do not add your own opinion. Like if you're writing something regarding the condition of something, and you start using your own opinion that as per my opinion this is wrong or this is right. No, we need not to do, we need not to give our own opinion. We just have to write whatever it is told to us. Do not add any extra information, whether it's pie chart, bar graph, table graph, or whether it's the statement type of report. Then this is the format of a report. Headline means the heading of the report. Byline, who has written it. Opening paragraph, details. Next two paragraphs, I already told you that observations or the the main discussion part it should come into, the body part it should come into 2 to 3 paragraphs. So opening paragraph means, as I've said, that introduction. Then we have 2 paragraphs of the body. Then we have the conclusion, that is called as the conclusive statement. It can either be a summary of the whole situation, a conclusion, condemnation, appeal, or a warning. So again, they have said that it is quite possible that in your question they would ask you to write the recommendation or the suggestion after the conclusion. So that is optional. If they have not asked you, then you should not. It is very wisely said that if someone seeks the advice from you, then we should do. Otherwise, we should not give our advice. So that is what they have said over there in the report writing. If in your question it has mentioned that we supposed to excuse me, we supposed to write the recommendations, then only you should add your recommendations. Otherwise, you can leave it. There's one small example of a report. It is given over here. Like they have said that there is a institute called GNPS Rajouri Garden celebrated World Environment Day by Ravi Sharma. So you can see that the name of the person who has written the report is given over here. As per the format, if you see, it was mentioned in the byline name of the report. Headline is there. GNPSC Rajouri Garden celebrated World Environment Day by second point Ravi Sharma. Then opening paragraph, then detail and the conclusion. New Delhi, 2nd July, it could be 21, 22, whatever. Students of Guru Public School, Rajouri Garden participated in a function to celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June at Vigyan Bhavan. So that's the opening paragraph where you give the brief information about like what it has happened, where it has happened. It was also the 30th anniversary of National Museum of Natural History. President of India, Pranab Mukherjee, was the chief guest. The other guests included Narayan Meena, Minister of States for Environment, S. Raghupati, Minister of State. Means those who were present over there. I'm not reading everything over here. I'm just trying to tell that they have started by writing that this was the event on that date at that place, and who all were present over there. That has been mentioned over there. Then what has happened? They have said that the student presented Prakriti Vandana. So that is how the program it has started. That the skit has there are songs and how the program it went on to. So it has given over here. So in the last they have said that the chairman was also present over there, and the vote of thanks were proposed by the director, National Museum of Natural History, Dr. Venugopal. So this is report. This is a news report basically, where they have mentioned everything that whatever you observed over there, you mention over here. In this kind of a report, we do not add any recommendation or suggestion because this is not asked. The question was just to explain what has happened over there. Understand from the English point of view, the paper is of English. So they want to see this thing that 2 things they want to make sure. One, your communication skills, and second, the communication skills in English. Because communication skills can be in any language. It can be in Hindi, it can be in any other vernacular language. But we are concerned over here in English, so that's why they have said that first is communication skills, because you should know that how you present yourself, how you tell others. If somebody like you're working for the college magazine and they ask you, I think yes, someone is trying to enter. Let me give the permission. Okay, so the first thing is that you should observe that what it has happened over there. Then you divide that information into paragraphs. First is the introduction. Second is the second 2 paragraph they have said that is regarding what do you observe over there, and we have a conclusion. And of course, if it has asked for the recommendation, you should write down the recommendations. Now, very beautifully they have written over here. What did you observe in this report? Report has a headline that attracts the reader's attention. Very important. Report tells what, when, where, how, and why was the event organized. So description of it we were just discussing. Finally, the report has the name of the writer or the reporter. So that is also important. That name of the person who is writing that report, it should also mention it. So these are important things you should keep into your mind. So let's see another example of it. That is a report about a survey. 75% children plagued by dental problems. IDA, Indian Dental Association, by Sri Parna Datta, staff correspondent. So here they have not only mentioned the name of person, they have also mentioned the designation of a person, that is a staff correspondent. So written with the place name, New Delhi. Look, I am from journalism and mass communication department, and I teach the communications on English to you guys. So this is what the pattern we follow when we actually write the news releases. First of all, the name of a place, New Delhi, then the date. Okay, that is the standard pattern we follow basically. Okay, the name of a person and the designation it has mentioned on top of heading. You can say that after the heading, the name of person it will come. Then it comes the place name, date, year. According to a recent survey conducted by the Indian Dental Association, 75% of the school children are plagued by dental problems, especially tooth decay and bleeding gums. The survey was done to report on the oral hygiene of the school students in India. So that's the first paragraph, which we call the introductory paragraph or the opening paragraph. So what it happens, it has mentioned that what we are going to discuss. So the problem was that the IDA, Indian Dental Association, they have done the survey, and what they have found in that survey, that was related. They explained the further information. The survey was held for a period of 6 months. For example, January to June this year in the schools all over India. As a part of the survey, renowned dentists visited 1,000 schools all over the country and conducted a thorough checkup of about 1.5 lakh students. You see, when you read it, you actually are getting the information. It's very clear over here. This is how the flow it should go. Because when you provide the information to somebody, it should have the same flow. First, you explain that when, where, think, as it was mentioned there, what did you report tells you about when, where, how, these kind of things. Now, when this is done, then you have to give the complete definition, also the description that these many schools participated into it. These many students had gone through with the checkup, and this is the result that over 20% of the children brush their teeth twice a day. So this is the result. Conclusion, we can say that. So after conducting that survey, they found that only 20% of the students they are doing these things. So what exactly it is what you call the conclusion. Shubham Singh, would you please? Yes, thank you so much. Very nice. What you are doing, you're listening song. Shubham Singh. So, what did you observe in this report? The report has a simple headline, which is mentioned here. 75 children with a dental problem. The report underlines the purpose of the survey in the opening paragraph. So, opening paragraph is for what? It tells you about that why report it has been done. What is the reason of the report, that is called as the purpose of the survey. The subsequent two paragraphs tells about when and how the survey was conducted. So the two paragraph it gives the brief information about what exactly it has happened. Finally, the facts and figures are given. So lastly, like we talked about 20%, it is what you call the fact and figure that this is the outcome of this thing. Okay, so that's what the another example of doing it. So, is there any question regarding this kind of a report if it comes to you to write it? because I want to show you one of these small video which is uh, which I have just observed over here. This is the report you see. Child is trying to write on the fire accident. So he or she has just written over the uh, over there the date, but we have just learned we should also write down the place. Okay, she is writing the place now. Okay, Malevron, New Delhi. Okay, so that's the format. There is one title, then we have a date, we have the place, and we have a by. Rashi means the name of the student who is writing it. Then she started writing it. Fire accident. The fire broke out in Balimaran yesterday.
विभीषण ने ताना मारा, ऐ बजरंगी, क्या तेरे मन में विराम है? हनुमान जी ने श्री राम का नाम लिया और सीधा भागा, बोले बेटे मुझ में भी है, तुझ में भी है, सब में है, समझा लंकापति विभीषण लेते मैं और वीर बजरंगी ने सीना चीर दिया और
So interestingly, in the paragraph you see, this is the what she has written down that what it has happened. A fire broke out where in this place when yesterday, where two-story house due to reason was gas cylinder explosion. 3% received severe burn injuries, and household goods worth almost 2 lakhs were completely destroyed. Students So she is trying to write as I have told you that in the paragraphs. So this is the first paragraph. She explained that what it has happened. Now the further information is given here. The incident took place during the replacement of a cylinder, as the regulator was not fixed properly on the new cylinder. This is what further extended information. This is the further extended information. Look what it happens over here. As I've told you that report is based on facts. But here, what she is trying to do, she is imagining this information. As I've told you that being the student, you cannot be on that place. You are not a reporter. If information, it will be asked from you. So what she is right now imagining, but imagination it is in a such a way that it is like that it is a fact, and she is explaining the facts. Why it has happened, look very clearly is it mentioned as the regulator was not fixed properly on the new cylinder, the lead gas caught fire. Resulting in the accident, it took 3 fire tenders almost 4 hours to control the fire. So the whole information, it is been given over here. So I hope this would be clear to you that how we supposed to write that. Is it clear to everybody? Students? Okay. Now what you're supposed to do, there is a chat box over here. Okay. So write down the only introductory paragraph. You see that question is over here. So heading it is given to you. For example, you need not to write down the heading again. So they have said a super specialty hospital was inaugurated in your own town by the health minister. As a reporter from The Hindu, write a brief report on the same to be published in the newspaper. So The Hindu is the name of a newspaper. Okay. So it means you are a reporter. It means this is a question. This is a question which can come to you, as I've told you that in a question they can tell you you are a marketing manager, you are a reporter, you are engineer. They can make you anything. So what are you supposed to do? Here they have make you mention that you are a reporter working for the Hindu newspaper. Write a brief report on the same to be published in the newspaper. So what it has happened? A super specialty hospital was inaugurated in your town by the health minister. So that is the thing which has happened basically. So by seeing this, now write down the report, and I'm seeing it. It's online. We can see that you have a chat box over here. So okay, you have chat box over here. So please start writing the introduction over here. Like what could be the introduction? So first of all, there will be date, then the place name, then by who is writing the report. We have just watched what is the format of it. Date, place, your name, then start explaining what.
हाँ
Now please start writing it. Write in the chat box so I can see and answer you. Yes, how are you writing it? Go ahead.
सर जी क्वेश्चन दोबारा दिखा दो।
हाँ ठीक है बेटा, क्वेश्चन रिपीट भी कर देता हूँ मैं. अ सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल वाज इनऑगरेटेड इन योर टाउन बाय द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर. So you are a reporter from The Hindu. Write a brief report on the same to be published in the newspaper. So it would be like that. This, then by your name, comma, staff correspondent. Don't write a reporter, write staff correspondent. That is the heading. Then make the report. The format is very important. So don't forget to write the date, place, your name, and designation, of course. Because this is mentioned over here. I told you that's very important. If they have not mentioned your designation, you need not to. We can see the example, the first example. Here it has written only by Ravi Sharma because they have not mentioned any designation to you. But in the second, when they have given the designation that you are a reporter, so it has written here by Sparna Datta, staff correspondent. So here they have also given you the what do you call designation of yours that you are a reporter or a staff correspondent. We can say that, and you're working for a newspaper called The Hindu, and the heading is there: the super specialty hospitals inauguration in your town by the health minister. What I can do, I can copy this and I would put over here. Okay. So I have just pasted in the chat box the question. You can observe the question and please write the introduction first of all. Then we will move further towards the explanation and the ending. Spider-Man, Lakshya Khan. Who's Lakshya Khan? Who's Lakshya Khan? If you will do this, I am going to remove it. Okay, bye bye. Yes, guys, are you writing? मेरे अटेंडेंस इसी के बेसिस पे लेनी है. Don't tell me later on. Because this is not exam जहाँ पर आपको marks मिल रहे हैं. I'm going to mark you negative or something like that. It is just a practice for yourself. So I expect that everybody would write down. So that's a one part, where I can tell you that what we're supposed to do. It. Second part is yours, where you supposed to, do the practice. Okay. Hospital inaugurated. Shrim once it is written over here. Shazia, mute yourself. Shazia Praveen, yes. Okay, hospital inaugurated or fine, that's fine. Okay, you want to write the heading like that. Then it comes your name and designation. Then it comes the date and place. It can be like that, Okay. Very good. Subhanjit, hospital inauguration, good by Subhanjit, staff correspondent, 1st January 22, Ludhiana. Very nice. Beautiful. Super Specialty Hospital was inaugurated in Ludhiana by the Health Minister on 1st January 2022. Very good, beta. बहुत अच्छा लिखा. Pappu Kumar, 6 January 20 by Pappu Kumar, Punjab, Khanna. Okay. Pappu, the Khanna would come first and Punjab later because Khanna is a smaller place and Punjab is bigger place. Okay. So that would come like that. It's fine. A super specialty hospital was inaugurated in our town by the health minister. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Very good attempt. Yes, only two students, Suvanjit and Pappu Kumar. What about others? Hurry up, guys. Muntazar, very good. Super specialty hospital inauguration. Muntazar, faculty correspondent, good. The Hindu, 4122. Okay, very good. So look, this is another way of writing the date. There was a super specialty hospital inauguration inaugurated by the health minister. This inauguration could lead to a great help for the severe patients. Okay, there was discussed about the importance of such constructions and inaugurations. There was there was discussion about the importance of such constructions and inaugurations. Sorry, sir, discussion. Okay, okay, fine, fine. That's fine. Good. अच्छा लिखा है. Very good, Muntazar. Good. What about other Shazia? Let me see how many of you are there. Pooja, Mukeet, Mayank, Mia Khalif, who's that? Students, join only from the college IDs which are given to you. Today I have let few of the students enter into the classroom, but from tomorrow you all have to enter into the classroom with the college IDs. Yes, Manpreet, Harsh, Mayank, Mukeet, Pooja. What about is it the one batch like there were students like Vanchika, Nandya and all? Where are all these students? Okay, in between of it, I would mark your attendance. Manoj Sharma, very good. Harshraj, okay, there is one more. Mayank Kashyap, okay. Mukeet Bhatt, Vanchika, right? I read up to Muntaza, right? Right. Vanchika Hospital inauguration by Vanchika Verma, staff correspondent, 5th Jan 2022. The super specialty hospital opened in Ludhiana was open to public on Saturday. That's fine, but somewhere the super specialty hospital opened in Ludhiana was open to. So line is somewhere something something is wrong over here. The super specialty hospital opened in Ludhiana was opened आएगा to public on Saturday. Okay, खुला गया था. Passive voice. चीफ मिनिस्टर रविंद्र केजरीवाल डॉक्टर हॉस्पिटल. ये देखो अभी अब मैं आपको समझा के हटा हूँ. आई हैव जस्ट डिस्कस्ड दैट डू नॉट ऐड एनी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर ओन. Question was that it is inaugurated by the health minister and you added chief minister, right? So ये सब चीजें please try to avoid. Read the question carefully, then please try to work on it. Inauguration was done by the health minister. You cannot write chief minister. Mukeet Shabir Bhatt, Kashmir Care is at hospital. Previously the Kashmir, a special hospital में Kashmir Care is at hospital. Previously the Kashmir hospital by health minister for taking care of patients. Previously, what do you mean by previously? पहले किया गया था, अभी नहीं किया. ओके, ऐसे नहीं आएगा बच्चे. Mayank Hospital inauguration, okay, heading by Mayank Kashyap, okay. 1st Jan 2022, Ludhiana, alright, fine. Super specialty hospital was inaugurated in Ludhiana with health minister on 1st January 2022. Very good. So this is the complete line which is mentioned here. A super specialty hospital was inaugurated in Ludhiana by health minister on this date. Good. Harsh Raj, super specialty hospital inauguration by Harsh Raj, staff correspondent, 1st January 2022. Good. On 1st January 2022, super specialty hospital was inaugurated by the health minister in Ludhiana. Good. Then Manoj Sharma. Inauguration आएगा बेटा. Manoj Sharma, inauguration of hospital reported by Manoj Sharma. Okay, Ludhiana. This a new hospital containing 250 beds was inaugurated Ludhiana, with a vision to improve the healthcare facilities and services for the general public. The State Health Commissioner was inaugurated. आपने भी बेटा स्टेट हेल्थ कमिश्नर को बोल दिया है. देखो हमने अभी ऊपर किया था हेल्थ मिनिस्टर has inaugurated it. So you improvise something from your home. I told you when something is given into your question, please only adhere to that. Do not add anything from your home. So Naman, hospital inauguration by Naman, faculty correspondent by this. A super specialty hospital was inaugurated in Muzaffarpur, Bihar by Health Minister on 18 March 2020. Good, that's very good. डेट को फिर लेकिन ज्यादा पीछे लेके 2 साल की है. ऊपर 22 को आप न्यूज छाप रहे हो 2020 की न्यूज. नमन, see this thing, everything is fine, but we also need to check these things.
सर मिस्टेक हो गया सर वो टाइपिंग में सर.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई ठीक है. गुड, लिखा अच्छा लिखा.
थैंक यू.
Aman Kumar hospital inauguration by Aman Kumar 1st Jan 2021 Khanna. Okay. Super specialty hospital inaugurated in Khanna by the health minister on 1st Jan 2022. Good. Pooja, inauguration of super specialty hospital 5th Jan 20 by Pooja Magoo, reporter, Ludhiana, Punjab. Okay. A new super specialty hospital was inaugurated in our city, Ludhiana, by health minister for curing people's disease on 4th January 2022. Very good. Priyanshu Singh Chauhan. Hospital inauguration by Priyanshu Singh Chauhan, staff correspondent. Date, Khanna, Punjab. Good. Yes, that's the good format. That like yesterday, I told you that we should go for full block format where we have aligned everything on the left. So that's also good if you do this thing. Write everything on the left. Hospital inauguration by this date and this. So we have kept our alignment from the left. Shazia Praveen, hospital inauguration. Okay. आगे है शाजिया.
यस सर कर ही रहा है, बस गलती से हो गया सर, सॉरी.
कोई बात नहीं. सॉरी क्यों बेटा, ट्राई कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. गुड.
सर लिख ही रहते, गलती से सेंड हो गया.
ठीक है बेटा. Hospital inauguration by Manpreet Singh, staff correspondent, 2nd January 2022, Samrala. Good, Manpreet. A super specialty hospital was inaugurated in Samrala by the Health Minister 2nd January 2022. Very good, बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. So you see, this is what the format. Starting at the of the report writing. Good. Vinay Chauhan, hospital inauguration by Vinay, staff correspondent, 6th January 2022, Khanna, Punjab. A super specialty hospital was inaugurated in our town by the health minister. Good. Good, Vinay. अच्छा लिखा बेटा. Nice. Very good. So मैं आपकी साथ अटेंडेंस भी ले लूँ. Section B and D. Today is 5th, right? Saket Singh.
Udin sir.
Okay. Shazia Praveen.
Alamat nagar.
Present. Okay. Srinivas. श्रीनिवास जी प्रेजेंट है. ओके. शाबुद्दीन आलम.
यस सर.
ओके. शाहिद.
यस सर.
एब्सेंट है.
शाबुद्दीन आलम सर.
सिर्फ प्रेजेंट बोलो, एब्सेंट मत बोलो. ओके. शाहिद. सिकलैन अहमद. सिमरन.
प्रेजेंट सर. यस सर.
वंशिका.
यस सर.
विनय चौहान. विपिन पाल.
और कवच की फोटो सेंड करें.
विपिन पाल. नो. विशाल. यशजोत. मनोज शर्मा.
यस सर.
यशजोत है. यशजोत सही है.
यस सर.
अनन्या. नमन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
okay, आशीष चौधरी, विनम्र, मोहम्मद शकील, अनीश पटेल, पप्पू कुमार,
कहती तो जीव बाहर देखा कि सॉरी।
सर चले गए।
एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म अरे
चले
नहीं
गए।
आया। एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म फिल करो।
नहीं गए, मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ।
अटेंडेंस तो बना ही नहीं।
हो गया।
आहो
तो डी सेक्शन का प्रेजेंट हो गया क्या सर?
सबका
हाँ?
एब्सेंट हो गया। अब ओए अनुज, सर नहीं है, प्रेजेंट किसको बोल रहा है?
तुमको
साइलेंस एवरीवन, साइलेंस साइलेंस,
सब
कीप
एब्सेंट
क्वाइट।
हो गए। डी सेक्शन एब्सेंट एवरीवन। सर ने हमारा अटेंडेंस लगाए बिना चले गए।
सेक्शन डी के लिए क्लास नहीं था, आप लोग जाइए घर, जाइए अपने अपने घर जाइए।
नमन जब
ये भाई कौन बोल रहा है तू? तू घर जा। हेलो नमन भाई, क्या हाल है?
नमन, नमन फ्रॉम जीजीआई।
अच्छा, कहाँ से हो
नहीं
दीदी?
नहीं, जीजीआई फ्रॉम नमन।
अच्छा, मैं तो नेपाल से हूँ।
बस 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 बेटा बस. Okay, I took the attendance up to Pappu Kumar, Chandan Kumar Shah,
Present, sir.
Pooja Bagu, okay, H Rohit Kumar, Priyanshu,
यस सर।
Sovik Rai, Mohammad Jihadul Islam, Section D, okay, Pooja Bagu, IT Aman Kumar,
यस सर।
okay, Anuj Kumar Tharu, Syed Abdul Rahman, Abdul Barik, Anand Kumar, Akash Kumar Singh, Asif Hussain, Bhupender Kumar, Harshraj,
यस सर।
Newton Singh,
शुक्र
Mukeet,
प्रेजेंट सर।
Muntazar, मानव शर्मा, नीरज,
यस सर।
नीरज,
यस सर।
ओके, निश्चल, निखिल, राजेंद्र सिंह, सुवनजीत,
प्रेजेंट सर।
शशांक, विकास, सौरभ महमूद, जुबैर, लियो मार्डी, मोइशुर रहमान, साकिब, महमूद हसन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
श्रीजॉन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
देवशिष, मनप्रीत,
यस सर।
सोहन, आकिब अहमद लोन, एनीवन एल्स किसी की अटेंडेंस रहती हो?
सर मुकीत प्रेजेंट सर।
एक बार
थैंक यू सर।
मुकीत प्रेजेंट बेटा,
सर,
जुबैर
देवाशीष।
अहमद, ओके एक मिनट, मैंने जुबैर की लगाई है।
सर मंतजर भी
जुबैर अहमद
प्रेजेंट है
की नहीं
सर,
लगी थी,
मंतजर
ओके,
भी
जुबैर
प्रेजेंट है,
अहमद
उसका
प्रेजेंट है।
माइक नहीं चल
और बोलो सर, आई थिंक
मुंतजिर
माइक इज नॉट
मुंतजिर
वर्किंग।
सर।
किसका?
सर
मुंतजर ने मुंतजर लगा रही है, मुंतजर
सर,
की।
देवाशीष प्रेजेंट सर।
अच्छी, मुंतजर की लग गई है। देवशिष प्रेजेंट है, हाँ देवशिष तुम्हारी लगी हुई है बेटा, तुम्हारी लगी है, जुबैर की लगी है, मुंतजर की भी लगी है, ठीक है बेटा।
अमन कुमार।
अमन कुमार, हाँ तुम्हारी लग तो गई, तुम आईटी में थे ना सबसे पहले बोला। हाँ लग गई है भाई। अगर किसी का माइक वगैरह नहीं वो करा, वो यहाँ पे लिख के बता सकता है। मोहम्मद शकील प्रेजेंट, ओके, मोहम्मद शकील, एक मिनट। मैं जरा ये रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दूं, रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है ना।